Hi, this is Eva from Homeowners Resource Group. I'm here at 250 Meucci Avenue in Copiague, New York. When I first found this property, the owners had passed away and the house had been sitting vacant for a few months. There was a reverse mortgage on the property and the owner's family could not afford to keep up with the taxes and insurance and be able to renovate the property since everything in here was original back from the 50s. So I stepped in. I was able to consummate a short sale with the bank. All of the monies that was owed to the reverse mortgage company was paid off in full, and we were able to get the owners some money from the bank to walk away with at the closing. So if you or anybody you know may have a property that's either in foreclosure, you can't afford to keep up with the payments any longer, you owe more than what the property is worth, then give us a call and we'll be able to go over your options with you and see what we can do to help you. My number is 631-387-4441.